Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about get raw using wpdb method. So this video is the part of this playlist WordPress CRUD operation. So I have already created some videos in this playlist, and this video is part of this playlist. So we are going to continue working on what we did in the past. So if you are new to this video, I would suggest to go through this videos first and then come back again over here in this video. So get raw is used for retrieving one raw from the database. And before jumping into the code, let me show you my local site. So this is my local site. I have created this custom plugin for my site. So if you don't know how to create custom plugin, I have provided link into the description section. And I have created this custom table to demonstrate this CRUD operation. So we will be using the same table for getting raw in this video. So yeah, so this is the file from my custom plugin. If I can show you, this is my WordPress local repo plugins. My plugin include and wpdb methods. So that's the file I have opened. So let me make it little small. So previously I have created insert, update and delete and select. Now we will be creating get raw. So let me add a check. So when we get query string into the URL, then only we will do our process. So by which method we can get a raw from the database? So the method is this wpdb get raw. So here we have defined this global wpdb, which is an object of wpdb class. This is the table we have defined over here, which is this our custom table bwp, and then we will be adding this get raw method inside this condition, so that whatever we do, it will happen only when we get a query string into the URL. So now let's try to use this method. So $wpdb get raw, and inside get raw it accepts three arguments. One is query, which is going to be our select query. Another one is output, so type of output. By default it will be object, and offset, so from which raw you want to return your result. By default it returns from 0, which is the first index position. So let's try to use select star from, and this is from our table name. And let's assign this to inside this condition and assign it to this variable. So we have written the string which gets all the data from the table, but we are using this get raw method. So instead of returning all the data from this table, it will return the first row of the table. So let's try to access this page, and let's pass this query string. And as you can see, this brings only one row from the table, which is this first row, 6 Homi Baba 35, 6 first name Homi Baba, and 35. Now the default, so second parameter is type of output, which was default object. Now let's try to use associative array. So instead of object, it will give a result in an array format. So let's try to refresh this, and as you can see, it converted into an array. Then the third argument is the third type is array numeric. So it will convert array into numeric keys. So let's try to refresh, and as you can see, all the keys converted into the numeric keys. And third argument is offset. So currently we are getting result from this position 0 index position. Let's try to access some custom index position. Let's say I want to get this row over here. So this is at 0, 1 and 2 second index position. So I will pass. So third argument is an offset. So now we should be getting this last row as a result. So let me bring this. So as you can see, we are getting this from the second index position ABCXYX23. So this is how it works. You can add your where conditions as well. For example, let me add one more result. First name ABC. So let's try to fetch a row which name is ABC. So there will be two results, but as per our function, it will fetch the first one only. So let's say select star from table where first name equals to ABC, and I'm gonna remove the offset, and I'm gonna remove this second argument as well. Let's keep object. So in this case we should be getting 9 ABC. So let's try to refresh this, and as you can see, we are getting 9. And if we pass 1 index position, so we will be getting this ABC and N. Let's try to refresh this. Okay, we are not getting any result. Not sure why. Okay, because we haven't passed the middle of argument. So yes, we are getting this A B C and then 22. So yeah, this is how the get raw method works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.